To edit widgets on your lock screen in POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to find the personalization. If you open it, navigate to your lock screen image right here and select customize. That way you'll be able to add few different widgets in few different ways. So first of all, let's click on the top right here, and then you can change the content widget for this tab right here. For example, we can go for the temperature, how it feels like. We can also click on the clock right there, and the clock allows you to add two different widgets. You can add the month, you can also add any of the widgets from here. Then there's the option to add signature. You just tap on it and then you can add any text you like to your lock screen. And finally, click on apply, and that way you'll get yourself a new widget on your lock screen. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.